Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about work with JSON data by reading from and writing to JSON files. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first we are going to make a JSON file, then put all the JSON code over there. So first we read the data, then write the data into the JSON files. Okay. So here we have the code. So import the JSON module for working with the JSON data. Read how to read a JSON file with open data.json. This is the file name, okay, so which we have created. This is that one, okay. Load the content of the JSON file into the Python dictionary. Okay, so with the help of this, you are going to load the contents of the JSON file into a Python dictionary, then print the data with the help of print data. Now, how to write to a JSON file? So this is our create a dictionary to be written to a JSON file. This is your dictionary that you want to return into your JSON file. Okay, data to write. After this, you can see with open output.json. So on this file, I want to write the data of this. Okay, this dictionary, right? Open or create the output JSON file in a write mode. So here we are going to open the output.json file. If it is not created, it will create that one. Okay, and then write the dictionary to the file with an indentation of the four spaces for the readability. Okay, so this is how you are able to write the data and read the data. Let's save this and run it. So here you can see that the data is reading. Okay, after this in output.json, here you can see that the data is also written over here. That is John, age, city, or you can mention with two this one. So it will update that one. Okay, so here you can go with the art.json. Here you can see name, age, and the city is written over there. So this is how you can read and write the JSON files in the Python. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.